Welcome in a universe community. Have you noticed how celebrities attract so many fans? They have charisma about them. They have some kind of magnetism in their personality. So, our topic for today is you are a magnet. Yes, we are all magnets. The only thing is, have we realized our potential and power that lies inherent within us? The more you are satisfied, the more you are peaceful, the more you are exuding love around you, the more you have self knowledge, the more you sit in meditation and you have unearthed your inherent potential and qualities that lie within, the more you exude positive vibrations of peace, satisfaction. That is what makes you more magnetic. That is, you are satisfied in your own skin, and now your aura becomes so white. Your vibrations are exuding outside, and others can see it. You won't realize, but many people can just see there is something different about you. You are more comfortable in your own shoes. You have this faith, self-belief, confidence. You are more prayerful, absolutely in equanimity no matter what the situation is. All these are actually, it means following the laws of the universe or the spiritual laws. And love has the highest frequency, nature has the highest frequency. So you are in alignment with the laws of the universe. When a child cries, the mother always gives whatever the child is asking for. But the universe doesn't behave like this. If you are crying and complaining, the universe thinks this is what you are asking for. And just imagine, this is unbelievable but true. You'll get more things to complain and to cry. You'll get more opportunities where you'll meet people who will make you, they'll make your life difficult. You'll come across situations that you'll keep solving because you were already thinking and talking about this. So the universe gives more of whatever you are talking about, whatever you are thinking about. You have some sort of resentment going on within you, and you'll just see that something happens. Somebody bangs on your car or something like that, or you just hurt your foot or something like that will happen. These are all messages from the universe. The only thing is, are you aware enough to take these messages as messages? We don't bother, oh, it just happened. No, nothing is happening by chance in this universe. We say we will give when we are rich. Start giving 1% of whatever you have. Just start giving. Open your heart. Never let the negative experiences of your life, you should never close your heart. Just keep it open, because there are nice people, there are appreciative people who will come into your life, and then you will vibe with your tribe. So good people are there. Only thing is, the vibrations you are exuding is what you are receiving. So how do you exude these vibrations? By the thoughts you are thinking, by the words you are speaking, by whatever you are giving out. So that is why it is said, everything, all the changes that you have to make, they begin with you. As you change, your world changes. There is an inner universe inside us. As we beautify that inner universe, our outer world also changes. So you don't have to go about changing people around you. You'll not see them at all. Once you change yourself, become more peaceful, don't go into confrontations, arguments, become more peaceful and satisfied and in gratitude. These are little things that you have to follow, but these are the laws of love, the laws of attraction, the laws of the universe. Only this is required to change your life into something you would like to see, to make all your dreams and manifestations come true. And it is not difficult, but the thing is, the difficult things we are able to do easily because we give importance to them. Oh, being in gratitude can change our life, is it? So we have not been taught all this in the school. They taught us about magnet. You know the earth is a magnet. You know everything about real magnets. But you are a magnet too. This was not written in the books. So this is such an important knowledge which we have not been taught in schools. But this can change our life. The real knowledge has been hidden from us. So this is the knowledge which can make all the difference in your life, because it will change everything about your life, your finances. What is money? Money is also attraction. You are attracting money by the vibrations you are exuding. Health is also you are attracting by the vibrations you are exuding. What are you talking about? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling at any moment of time? It shows what you are thinking. What are your conversations like? Like James Allen has mentioned in one of his books that one day he just thought, I'll go around checking on everybody and trying to overhear conversations of people. And he was surprised to see that most of the conversations were pertaining to what people do not like. They were complaining, weather is not good, things are not good. So most of the conversations were about what they did not like. Most of the conversations were about what they did not love. How will you make use of your superpowers that lie within you? That is the powers of imagination, visualization, because you are always talking and thinking about what you do not want, what you do not love. Talk about your dreams. You are talking about that person, what wrong that person is doing, criticizing, not appreciative of talent, stopping people from doing good work. So what are you exuding? You are stopping people and then you are stopped from something. This is what you have attracted. So you have to be very careful of what you are doing. It is like, that is why they say karma. Karma means whatever goes out will come in. That is whatever you are doing. The same repercussions, not today, tomorrow, but you have to bear the repercussions of each and every word you have uttered, every thought you have thought at any time. Because thoughts are vibration, words are vibrations, and they always stay in the environment, atmosphere. They'll always be there. So you can't escape the law of karma. So all you have to do is follow the laws of love, follow the laws of attraction, follow the laws of the universe. And according to these laws, you have to be in gratitude. You have to be in gratitude for little blessings in your life. Be appreciative. When you see a beautiful car, say it is beautiful. So you give the message to the universe, I like it. Universe is going to give it to you. You want it. But when somebody else shows you a beautiful car, look, I have bought this beautiful big car. You don't like it because you don't have it. So here is what you have to make a change. We judge, sometimes we are jealous. These are the things, these are vices in our personality, and you have to take one of these vices at one time and make changes, conscious effort to change all these vices from your personality. If you get angry, you'll go wrong sometimes, but then just be prepared. Next time when I get such a situation, when I am in such a situation, I will try not to be angry. So more of awareness. That is why when you meditate, you become more aware. So breathing exercises and meditation is a must every morning. It prepares you for how you will behave throughout the day. You may go wrong. Anybody can go wrong. But the thing is, are you aware you have gone wrong? And are you ready to make amends? So gradually you will improve. So now from money to health to relationships to everything, it is all about attraction. And if we we are talking about attraction, it only says that you, yes, you are a magnet, a very powerful magnet who is attracting things, situations, people, career, opportunities, everything all the time. So make a conscious effort to get aligned with the laws of the universe so that you get abundance, you receive abundance from the universe. Always remember, you are a magnet, and so you are attracting whatever you are exuding. You will give first, so you will get first. So all you have to do is feel good all the time so that more situations, people, things are presented to you that make you feel good. So when you are happy, you will get more opportunities to be happy. So this is the rule. Remember, when you are happy, when you are feeling good, you get more opportunities to feel good. The universe presents you with more opportunities to feel good. When you talk of abundance, when you feel abundant, when you feel rich, even without seeing richness in your life, when you start feeling rich, I am rich. When you start feeling rich, that is when richness starts percolating in your life. So first you have to be what you want to be. Then you actually become where you want to reach, or whatever you want to become. Be what you want to become. So like it is said, the outcome, what is the outcome? Start behaving like that. Start behaving as if it is already there in your life. Now how do you feel? Feel that feeling. It is already there. You are rich, you are whole, you are healthy, you are fine, you have all the opportunities. Now how are you feeling? This kind of feeling is going to present everything you desire in your life. So be a powerful magnet. And how can you do that? You have the power. You are limitless. Everything begins with you. So become that powerful magnet which can attract every dream and desire in your life to make all your dreams come true. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community, for joining me here. I love you, and it is beautiful to connect with each one of you. Thank you so much for your comments. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section below. If you are new, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Namaste.